Bolovinaka, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to make some roti. Roti curry bayangani. Roti curry bayangani. Here we have our onion chopped. And our chef is cooking the roti.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, I will bali the. Hi. The chef will be cooking the roti, cooking the curry, and I'll be bali.
You gotta get your act together.
What do you say, bali? Need, eh? Need. Okay. This is how you need your roti dough. You have to put in boiling water. Okay, here we go. So I've kneaded it nice and soft. Nice. And now it's time to make some continents.
Come in all shapes and sizes, from small to large, and the earth has 7 continents in total.
Of the world. What do you have there, chef? You like it when it sticks like that on the roti pin? You? No. Why? Woo! Naka roti banao.